Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Bryce Bailey here with DCM Floors, and today we are going to be going over SPC flooring, what it is, what it stands for, how it can benefit you. Just a brief little video to get you informed about the product so that you're an informed buyer when it's time to go purchase your next flooring. So let's get into the video. So SPC, stone polymer composite. What this is a core manufactured of 60% limestone, with the other 40% being a dense PVC plastic material. So what does this mean? How does this translate? Well, your typical luxury vinyl plank is comprised of mainly vinyl, whereas your WPC is a wood polymer composite. So that's going to be a little more porous and a little less dent resistant than this SPC. An SPC floor is up to 6 times more dent resistant than a competing WPC floor. On top of that, this is much more waterproof than a WPC or an LVP plank. It is also extremely forgiving on an uneven subfloor. It requires almost zero subfloor prep because it is so dense. This also requires no acclimation time. So you can purchase it, take it home, unbox it, put it down, and you're good to go. So it's just a really extremely dense, durable product that's going to last for years and years to come. Here I have an example of an SPC floor. What this is here is our Hudson Plank collection. This is an SPC click-lock floating floor with a 20 mil wear layer, suitable for both residential and light commercial applications. This is a 4.5 millimeter core thickness with an attached moisture-resistant IXPE pad. This is perfect for areas prone to moisture like a basement, a bathroom, a kitchen. This is one of our best-selling SPC products and just one of our many SPC products in our collections. We personally believe, and as growth has occurred year over year, that SPC is here to stay. And it's really at the forefront of our product focus. If you would like to check out this collection, I have put a link down below. Shoot me an email, give me a call if you have any questions at all. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.